Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and nutrient dense khichdi recipe made without rice for weight loss and diabetic management. So let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy khichdi, into a bowl I'm adding in 1/4 cup of sama rice, also known as little millet or chama rice in Malayalam. Add in 1/4 cup tur dal. Add in some water. Wash and rinse it a couple of times or until the water runs clear, and allow it to soak for about 30 to 40 minutes. Sama, also known as little millet, contains magnesium which can help improve heart health. Vitamin B3 in little millet helps to lower cholesterol. It is also a good source of phosphorus which helps with fat metabolism, body tissue repair and energy protection. It is a good source of protein, fiber and iron. Always try to include whole grains like millets in your diet. It's about 40 minutes now. The sama rice and the dal are nicely soaked. So I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to keep it on a strainer. Heat a pressure cooker with 2 teaspoons of wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in 3/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 2 whole red chilies which I am breaking into 2 or 3 pieces. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder and lightly give it a stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. Add in the strained sama rice and dal. Two cups of water. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a stir. Close the cooker and pressure cook for 5 whistles on high flame and then turn off the flame, and open the cooker only after the pressure has depressurized by itself. And once the pressure has released by itself, open the cooker. And my healthy khichdi is perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Just before serving, I'm sprinkling in some coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a stir. And enjoy this healthy khichdi with the homemade pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy and nutrient dense khichdi recipe and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more millet based recipes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.